we go for a nice walk today, Lacey? It's actually warm, but it's gonna get cold again. Say hi to the fish. Frogs are still out. Let's see, there's probably some frogs over here. This is their big hangout spot.
They always look like little statues. They never move.
Okay. You ready? Wait, hold on, Lace. Hold on. I have to pick her up because it's kind of muddy in the back here. Okay, hold on. So this is the walking trail behind our house. So here's the house, but it was kind of muddy all through here, so that's why I picked Lacey up.
There's our house.
And it's nice to have a trail right behind us here, so we don't have to drive anywhere. So that's pretty nice for sure. And, you know, I love all these little wildflowers. They're really neat. They're just they've spread everywhere. We finally had a nice day, huh, Lacey? Kinds of nice sniffs back here for Lacey. Haven't seen any deer lately. You know, Lacey always marks the territories, just like little boys, don't ya? Whoops. A little twisted. You can see a little bit more of our house over here. So many sniffs, huh, Lacey? This is part of our next door neighbors here. And we're kind of bummed out. They're going to be moving. They're selling their house. In a few weeks, I think they're going to put it up for sale, and they've been wonderful neighbors. We were here together from the very beginning of this development 21 years ago, and since we're in a cul-de-sac, they're probably going to sell their house in a day, which a lot of the houses around here are actually selling that fast. So hopefully we'll have nice neighbors, because on the other side of us we had new neighbors and they're extremely nice, so we lucked out. Having some work done on their chimney. Oh, Lacey, you're losing your bow. Okay, time out. So I wonder what it is, all these smells that Lacey picks up. I think maybe boy doggies went to the bathroom there, or she just smells other woodland animals. Who knows? Come on, Lace. Well, this is why we don't get very far on our walks, but it's good for her to be out and just do her thing. Each tree stump smells good, huh, Lace? Each one smells good? Okay, go ahead. We're free. You're free. Wanna go get some water? Is that a nice walk, Lacey? Want water? We'll go get water. Go, go. You can go. The water is so clear at this time of year. I hope it stays this way. Since we have the new skimmer, it's supposed to stay cleaner now. And sorry for the look of the deck right now. It's kind of embarrassing, but we are definitely getting a new deck, but they are so booked up we can't do it until the fall. So that's a drag. I think Bob's going to just replace, a couple of these boards so that nobody falls through them. That would be a drag, huh, Lacey? You ready for water? You ready for water? Oh, you know what? Let's get this off. Okay, let's go get our water. She'll plop down first and cool off, and then you'll have some water, right? Okay, that was a nice walk, huh? Did you have fun? Thanks for watching, everybody. That sure was nice. Oh. Did you have a good walk? I'm glad you did. We can drink more water again. Have a great weekend, everyone. Oh, and by the way, if you made it to the end here, thanks so much for all the birthday wishes for Lacey. It was really overwhelming on all of her social media. We really appreciate it. Right? You gonna take a nap? Say thanks for the birthday wishes, everybody.